lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you see by the title, I have another Aliexpress video for you guys today. I know I'm looking pretty chill from the t-shirt, but you know I had to step. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mckinlee, Brooke. I make fashion, beauty, hair, make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, that type of content. So if you're interested in that type of content, definitely just head over to my channel, click that subscribe, like all those buttons. It helps me a great deal. If you don't know what Aliexpress is an Asian-based wholesale vendor app. So they have a bunch of different things. They have clothes, they have hair, there's a whole bunch of different vendors on the specific app. But the items that I'm going to be showing you today are from the specific vendor, and I'm going to provide you guys the specific link that I use so you can make sure you're getting the same quality items that I'm showing you in this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I'll have that down in the description box and on the screen, and let's just get right into it. Okay y'all, so first thing I'm going to show you guys are a pair of earrings, and these are what the earrings look like. They're just these like purple but like clear crescent shaped earrings. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, they look so cute. I can't wait to style these up. You know, I've been getting really into jewelry and stuff like that, so these are just perfect to add to my collection. I don't know, it's very girly, very Y2K. I just like the acrylic look as well. Yeah, I would definitely recommend these. These are just so cute and so simple and just perfect to pair with like a cute little accent of purple. Okay, moving on, I have a two-piece set for y'all, of course. And this two-piece set is like an athletic wear two-piece set. I've been getting a lot into athletic wear sets. So this one, it is like a brown ribbed top, and it's just like a sports bra. It does come with padding, but it is removable. So you see that little hole, you can just remove the padding. I usually remove my padding when the sports bra is too small. That's like a little trick. If the sports bra is too small, you can just remove the padding and it'll give your boobs more room for the sports bra. But if it fits right, I usually don't need to remove it, and it acts as like a nipple cover because these things be trying to poke out. But yeah, so it's amazing material. It's like that seamless material that I always talk about and I absolutely love. It's so sturdy. I just really like it. I love the color as well. These are what the shorts look like. They're high-waisted and they're pretty long, so I really like that because look at the inseam. The inseam is like 5 inches. It's really long for some shorts. They almost fit like biker shorts, but not as long as biker shorts, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, again with the seamless, they fit so nice. They're so stretchy. It just hugs your body and it's just put together. Like, it's a activewear set, so you can wear it to get coffee, you can wear it to run errands, and you can also wear it to the gym, which I love. So yeah, a thick waistband that is like a different material than the regular part, because this part has more stretch for your butt, but then the waistband part is more compressive because it compresses your tummy, so it has good tummy control. So I love that. Really nice. I cannot complain about this. I will definitely recommend you guys buy this. All right, the next thing that I have to show y'all are another pair of leggings, and these are just some really basic leggings, but they look so good on me and they just fit amazing. Like, they're so freaking soft. They're just these gray cotton leggings, and I have a lot of workout leggings. I have a lot of like spandex, super duper tight workout material leggings, and I just really wanted just some regular cotton ones because I didn't have any of those to just lounge around my dorm in. So I definitely picked these up. They're so soft. Like, that's the best thing about these. They're just so freaking soft, and they're not see-through or anything, and they're really stretchy. The waistband looks like this, so it kind of scrunches up a little bit, but these just look like pajama pants to me. Like, they're just so cute and so soft, and it comes with this little tag on it. Of course, it's in like a language that I cannot read, so I don't know really what it says, but these are a 10 out of 10. I know it's a really basic, but I need a lot of basics for college, and I just love these. Moving on, I have another athletic set. This one is in blue, or like a deep turquoise, I don't really know, but it is also another like sports bra. This one is a racerback design. It also has the padding in them, but it is also removable. I got this one in a size medium. Absolutely love it. I love the rib material that they put on the band that goes around under your boobs, because when lift them up, but also it's not going to like roll under or be like really uncomfortable. Especially you don't want that when you're working out or doing like moving stuff, because you just want stuff stay in place, honey. That's what you're supposed to do, then do it. So I really love this. I love the material. Everything is good to me. And then to go along with it, it is just another matching bottom, shorts. I got a lot of shorts because it's summer, but I was thinking like I really just have to wear these as soon as I get there, because I feel like it's going to get cold pretty soon. But I don't know. But yeah, here are the shorts, and you see the difference between the last shorts that I showed you and then these are like really, the inseam is like 3 inches and the other one was like 5 to 6. So you understand what I was saying about how those shorts were super long. These still fit me, these still cover my butt and everything, and they're just shorter. But again, it has that nice rib material on the tummy part so it can snatch you in. Again, I got this in a size medium. It's not the seamless material. It doesn't have like those ribs or anything on it. So yeah, so it's a little bit different than the first one that I showed you, but it is still really cute, really nice. The material and everything is perfect. It's not see-through, it's squat proof, all that jazz. So cute. Okay, the next item that I have is this shirt. I know it looks basic, it looks regular, but trust me, it fits like a glove. That's what I've really been getting into, is like good fits, like good like stuff that fits my body really well. And this definitely fits my body. It has like a little tag. It says D+ Studio on it. I got this in a size small. It just chef's freaking kiss. You'll see in the try on haul. It definitely reminds me of Skims. It's like in this cotton material, but the stitch, I think it's called stitch. It's like what they put in like beds, like bedding. They have like the stitch number or something, but that's what it is on here. That's what makes this so perfect, is because it has really little stitching, and it just, I don't know, it feels really good. Basically is what I'm saying. It feels good, it fits good, it's not too small, it stretches, but it's not like skin tight and suffocating on you. I just cannot wait to wear this. It's so cute, it's so basic, but I'm in love with basics right now. So this is definitely another 10 out of 10 for me. You gotta pick this up. You gotta pick this up. It fits amazing. Okay, I swear this is the last workout set that I have in this try on haul, but this is this other one. I have one exactly like this, exactly like this, but it's in a light blue, and I bought that months ago. So I decided to repurchase it, but this one is in the color pink. So yeah, this is not, it's different from the other ones because it's not sports bra, it's actually a shirt. It's just a cropped top shirt. It's in a pretty pink color. Absolutely love it. I don't know what size I got, but of course it'll be on the screen. And yeah, it just looks really good. Of course it has like that little, the most important part was really this band at the bottom, so it won't like ease on up when you're working out, because that's the worst, when your workout clothes don't fit or they're not giving. You can't even get a good workout in if your workout clothes aren't giving. So yeah, definitely super cute. Let me show you the bottoms. And here are what the shorts look like. Oh, this one is really like, you're not going nowhere with this waistband. Again, it doesn't say the size, but it's very similar to the last shorts that I showed you in the inseam type. It's like really short, so very much going to be showing lots of legs. It's definitely going to be giving though. So I love this. Again, nothing really much to say about it. It's very similar to all the other like workout sets that I showed you. The quality of all of them are impeccable. The stretch is good. There's no like see-through, squat proof, all that really well. Okay, the next thing that I have is this super cute little basic gray top. It's just a crop top. I will say this was a little bit small on me. I don't know if I want to be taking this with me to New York just because of it's small, and you guys know I have a big bag. I say this in like every video, so it was just really tight around my like chest area. So I don't know if I'm gonna be taking this with me. You'll see in the try on haul. I don't even remember how bad it was. I just know that it was very small on me, and I was like, I don't think this is the look that I wanted to give with this, even though it's like really stretchy though. It's so cute. I like the material. Everything is so cute about this. It is a little bit small, but yeah, here this is. It's just a basic crop top. The last piece are these super cute biker shorts, and they're just in this like really light pink, almost like a nude color. But yeah, they're just some biker shorts. I needed some basics, so I definitely got some. As a nice like elastic waistband right here. It's gonna snatch you in. It's not see-through. They are long, so they're biker shorts. They're not like booty shorts, so I absolutely love that as well. The one thing I am concerned about this is if I'm sweating, you'll probably be able to see it because it is a really light color, so I don't love that for me. But if the fit requires this, y'all gonna see a little sweat, so that's just tea. But really like this. Of course, guys, I will have everything linked down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what was your favorite item in this piece. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next, and I'll see you lovelies in the next video. Bye.